subject. Okay, so as you know very well, science is to know our environment, to understand the environment, as well as functions of our body, biology as well as zoology. Okay, now today, before starting, I would like to ask some questions. If you know the answer, you will just raise your hand and or just give your answer in chat box. Or if you want to talk, then we will unmute you. You just raise your hand or thumbs up. Okay. Students, you can give your answers in the chat box. Okay. This is a very important thing. We will unmute you if you want to talk anything or if you want to say anything. Okay. Whatever you want to express yourself, you can show it in the chat box. Okay. Now, as earlier also you have attended, since morning you attended one lecture. This is my second lecture, I think so. But you will feel it interesting. Okay. You will feel it very interesting to listen me or to hear my lecture. Okay. Now, before starting, you will just give me idea what I want to know. Okay. Now, first one is tell me some internal organs which are present in our body. Tell me names of those organs. Who can answer? At
Yes,
least
miss.
three you have to give. At least three. Huh?
Yes.
Three names of organs. Okay.
Yes.
Miss Eyes.
Internal organs. Internal. Yes.
Heart.
Very good. Very good. Heart. Then next. Three I want. At least three.
Brain.
Huh?
Miss Brain.
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 Okay. 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 Next.
Miss Lungs.
Very good. Lungs. Very good. Next. Okay. I got three answers. Lungs, heart, brain. Okay. Very good. Now, more names of more organs I will tell you. Stomach is there inside our body. Liver is there. Intestine is there. Lungs are there. Heart. Okay. These are various organs which are present in our body. Okay. My next question is, how do we move from one place to another place? How do we move from one place to another place? Yes, so many students raise their hands. You can give your answer in chat box now. Okay. Okay. See, we are moving from one place or we are
Miss with
walking,
legs.
running, very good, with legs and hands. Okay. We are moving our hands at the time of walking. No? Okay. See, very good. Means you all are very clever students. I think so. Is it correct? Okay. Very good. Now, see, with the help of our various organs, body parts, with the help of our body parts, we are moving from one place to another place. Okay. As you all very well know that our internal parts of our body and external parts of our body. Okay. Now, today we are going to deal with this interesting fact of our internal body parts. See, we very well, we can see that our legs are walking. Okay. The movement of legs we can see by our eyes. But what is happening inside our body that we cannot see, correct? But we can study those things and we can understand those things by uh, I will show you various images that you will get idea about what is happening inside our body or how our body is attached to various parts of our body. Okay. How hands are attached, how bones are there in our body. Okay. How this everything is set up, how our body got structure. Okay. Posture. That thing we will going to see with one interesting chapter name is, our chapter's name is the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. Okay, the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. And today we are going to deal with one subtopic, that is the muscular system in human beings. Okay, in the next lecture we will moving forward to the digestive system, but today in detail we will study about the muscular system in human beings. Okay, now first of all, I will start explain that one point. In between, I will ask you questions. You have to pay attention word to word whatever I am saying. I will ask question in between. You will answer in chat box. Okay? I will see that and I will appreciate you all. Okay? As I got idea that you all are very clever. Okay? Now see here, I will share my screen with the help of whatever teaching aid I have prepared. You will see that and it will be easy for you to understand whatever I am saying. Okay. Now we will start with our lesson. You should know my name also, correct? My name is Trupti Sofan Zawari, Trupti ma'am, from Kulaba Municipal English Upper Primary School, Kulaba. Okay. Next, our topic is the muscular system. As I already told you, our topic is the muscular system and digestive system in human beings. But today we are going to deal with only one lesson, that is only one topic, that is the muscular system in human beings. Okay. Our next point will be, what are the muscles? First of all, before starting muscular system, you should understand that what are the muscles? Now see here, muscles are bundles of fibers that can contract and relax as required. See the fleshy part which is present on our arms. You can see the fleshy part which is present on our arms. That fleshy part contains, rather than bone, except bone, the fleshy part which is there on our arms, that are the bundles of fibers. Those bundles of fibers are called as muscles. Okay, and that can contract. This sometimes some students are showing, see my body, see my energy. Okay, like that they are moving that part. Okay, they are showing some fluctuations in that part, means that muscles can see, our bone cannot move or bone cannot leave his place. Okay, so our muscles can contract and relax as required. See, next point, muscles contract and relax as different parts of our body to move. Okay. Why muscles contract and relax? See, due to the contraction and relaxation of muscles, our body move from one place to another place. This is very important point. You can note that muscles contract and relax as different parts of our body. Unknowingly, when we are moving our body, at that time our muscles unknowingly they are contracting and relaxing, but we were not knowing this thing before, so you was not feeling it, but today you will going to know it and you will feel it. See, these are the muscles. These are uh, these are helping us to walk. These are helping us to talk. These are helping us to jump. Okay, so many actions that I will explain you further. Our next point is, muscles give a specific shape and posture to our body. See, now I can see all the students. Out of those, some students are sitting holding the camera downside. Some students are feeling lazy as they have attended first lecture. Okay, no, it's not lazy time, beta. It's to understand or to know something new. Okay, about our body. Some students are laughing or some students are watching. Okay, these all the expressions you can perform with the help of muscles only. But as I said, you was unknown about that thing. That's why you was unable to understand. See, these muscles are moving due to muscle. What you was thinking? Only due to bones. No, only due to bones we are not moving. We are moving from one place to another place with the help of muscles. See, our body got specific shape. Okay, our height, weight, specific shape, posture. Some students are sitting very straight. Some are sitting like bending. Okay, these postures we got due to our muscles. Okay, then next, what are the purpose to learn these muscles? What are the purpose to learn these muscles? See, muscular system permits movement of the body, maintains posture and circulates blood throughout the body. See, what is the purpose to learn this muscular system? Why we need to understand this muscular system? See, muscular system permits movement of the body, maintains posture and circulates blood throughout the body. As we all are very well known about it, that blood circulates in our whole body from finger to our toes, from our head to toes. Okay, blood circulates in the body. See, but blood circulates through the veins and arteries. Okay, but the muscles helps those veins and arteries to keep set at one place, to sit at one place. Correct. As our desk is helping us to sit on the or our chair helps us to sit on the one bench, correct, and listen whatever teacher is saying. As our hand gives us permission to hold the mobile this in this online era, correct. Why these movements are happening? How these movements are happening? With the help of muscles and bones. Okay, but today, see this muscular system. I think you are getting little bit idea from now. Okay, now why I have shown this image of this man, this diagram in this purpose slide? Why? Do you know? See, muscles provide strength. You can see the strength of this person. You can see it. You can say yes in chat box. Okay, very good. Now see, muscles provide strength. Muscles gives us strength, balance. See, if we are moving on the vehicle, at that time we required or we need balance. Okay, we need balance to move from one place to move on the bike. Okay, that balance we got due to muscles. As so many students which are present, out of those, so many students are running bicycle very fast, correct? Due to, with the help of that bicycle, how you can balance on that bicycle? You can balance by using muscles. See, this small thing you also you were also unknown about this small thing also. How you are balancing your body. Next one is posture. See, I'm very straight, correct? You can see me, okay? Now, now I'm little bit bent, okay? These various postures I got due to our muscles, okay? Movement. Movement, as I told you earlier, to move from one place to another place, and heat for the body. See, sometimes when our school were functioning, at that time in the morning, we sing prayer for the God. Okay. Now, in that prayer, after finishing the prayer, we are rubbing our palms, correct? And you can see me now, okay? We are rubbing our palms and keeping it on our eyes, okay? In that activity, our hands got hot or warm, okay? And we are giving that warmness to our eyes, okay? Due to why? Because warm up exercise of our hands was done by our hand, okay, by ourselves. Warm up activities of our hands was done by ourselves, and we are keeping it on our eyes to give warmness to our eyes, okay? Means muscles gives heat to our body, okay? Till this you have you understood, students? Till this have you understand? I can see you in the chat box. You can give answers.
Teacher, your voice is low.
Answers you can give, beta. Okay, very good. Yes, so many students are saying yes. Very nice. See, due to connection problem, some of the students may not listen clearly, but I will try to speak in loud voice to hear yourself. Okay, I am there for yourself only. Very good. Now, our next point. Muscular system. Actually, we will start with our topic. Okay, see, various organ systems are present in our internal body. Okay, organs are there as well as organ systems are there. See, sometimes teacher is giving you activity and you are doing it in the groups, okay, and like that, and you are you get success in that also, okay. Like that, in our body inside there are some small organ systems which are performing their work very nicely to keep us healthy and wealthy, okay. Now, what is muscular system? Various organ systems. First of all, I will tell you. First one is muscular system, respiratory system, digestive system. Correct? These are various types of organ system present in our body. Okay. Now, the muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. See, these organ system contains skeletal, smooth, and cardiac muscles. Okay, these three types of muscles I will explain you in this lecture only. But muscular system is an organ system consisting of skeletal. These are three types of muscles: skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Okay, you can see this diagram. Can you see it? You can thumbs up. You can do thumbs up to let me understand. Okay. You can see this diagram properly. You can hear me. Okay. Very nice. Very good. See here. This hand inside internal structure of our hand is shown in this diagram. See here, these bones are there. One bone here, two bones are there in elbow from elbow, and here red fleshy part is given. Okay, that fleshy part are our muscles. Okay, the bundles of fibers. In the first slide only I explained you bundles of fibers. Okay. Next is contraction and relaxation of muscles. Okay. Now, how these muscles contract and relax? We will have one activity after finishing our topic. Before that, You can tell me, or you can give me one example that work or activity which required great strength. You can tell me one work or activity which required great strength. In the chat box, you can answer. One activity which required great strength. You can, if you can answer me in the chat box. Okay. Very nice. Some students are answering. Okay. See, before that, we will understand this part, and again I will question you. Contraction and relaxation of muscles. Now, what are the contraction of muscles and relaxation of muscles? Muscles are firmly attached to bones by means of tendons. Okay. Muscles are firmly attached to bones by means of tendons. See, in between this muscle and bone, there are some tendons present over here. Now, when muscles contract, there is movement at the joint and the bones move either nearer to or away from each other. Okay. See, this hand, you can see it in 180 degree. This hand, relaxation of muscles. You can see it in 180 degree. This hand is showing that this is relaxation of muscles. And if you are doing your hand like this, if you are showing your body, then this is contraction of muscles. You need to move one joint. Okay. From elbow, you need to bend your hand at 90 degree. Then you can see there is a contraction of muscles. When muscles contract, there is a movement at the joint. When muscles are contracting, we are moving our joints. Okay. At that time, movement is done in the joints. Okay. The bones move either nearer or to away from each other. Okay. At the time of relaxation, bones move away from each other, and at the time of contraction, bones comes closer to each other. Okay. Our next point is the action of muscles is necessary for all kinds of movements. See, all the movement, see, suppose I am talking in front of you, I am delivering my lecture, okay, and you are listening it. In this process also, our muscles are working, okay. In all the actions which we are performing, in all the actions, the movement of muscles is must. It is happening, okay. From the small movements of eyelids. See, if we are moving our eyelids, okay, like doll, that also required our movement of muscle. To those that demand great strength. Now, whatever question I was asking you, that activity which required great strength, have you got your answer? Small activity that required little strength, and the activity which is required great strength. Here I wrote one example also. The strength as when chopping wood with an axe. Okay. This activity, as you all know, it required too much strength to work. Okay. In these strength also, our muscles perform very nicely. From small activity or to great strength, activity which required great strength. Now we will going to see some little actions or movements which required movement of muscles. Okay. Now you can see this. Can you see this, beta? Okay. In the chat box, you can say yes, or you can do me thumbs up, or you can raise your hands. Okay. I can see it. Very good. Very good, very good. You can see these nice pictures. Okay, very nice, very nice. So many students are very attentive. I liked it. Very good. Now see here, these are the movements of muscles. Okay, various movements of muscles. First one, see when our school were functioning, at that time so many students are very talkative. Correct? Teacher is coming and shouting on you that keep quiet, beta, keep quiet, you. Correct? But then too you're talking. For talking, you require muscles. Okay. When we are playing in the physical period, physical activity, you require strength or movement of your muscles. Some throwing the ball. I have shown one picture, second number of throwing the ball. First number, talking, correct? You are, while talking, you are moving your hands, okay? You are laughing, you are performing so many activities. Then throwing. Then in the third picture, what you can see? Third picture, what that boy is doing? You can give answer in chat box. Okay. Oh, it's very good, very good. So many students have raised their hands. Very nice. In the third picture, very good. In the third picture, the boy is jumping. Very good. Arman, very good. Afsana, very good. Khushbu,
The boy is jumping.
the boy is jumping. Very nice. Next. See, for jumping also we require too much strength. And after jumping, as I told you, muscles gives hit to our body. Hit, warmness deta hai muscles. Okay. After jumping also we are feeling very warm, correct? Hot. We are feeling very hot. Sometimes we are running very fast, and if we are stopping, then our body is sweating, correct? The sweat comes out due to the movement of muscles. Very nice. Next, students are very active. I like it. Next one, I have shown again two activities. In the first picture, one boy is walking, correct? In the first picture, one boy is walking. And in the second, you see, you all are doing very chit-chatting and messy in the classes, correct? Like that only, these students are laughing, okay? They are laughing, they are moving their hands. For that, they require the movement of muscles, okay? Have you understood this movement of muscles? You can raise your hands. Yes, very good. Very nice, very nice. Students are giving answers fast, very fast. Okay, very good. Now, then next slide, our next slide. Now, few amazing facts. Before telling you few amazing facts, you will answer me activity which is required great strength according to you. I have told one activity to of chopping of wood by an axe. Okay. Now you will give me name of one activity which required great strength. Very nice. Activity which required great strength. Okay, very good. I can see you in the chat box. Then activity which required less strength. I told you movement of eyelids. Activity which required less strength. Yes, very good. Very nice. All the students are very active. They are giving answers in the chat box. Very good. Okay. Next one is why I am telling you to write the answers in chat box. You should feel that you are writing something. Okay. Next one is few amazing facts about the muscular system. There are more than 600 muscles in the human body. Okay. Muscles contribute almost 40% of the weight of a healthy adult human body. Okay. There are more than 600 muscles. How many muscles? More than 600 muscles present in our body. You are feeling very correct, you are feeling proud to hear that 600 muscles which are present in our body. Okay. Then muscles contribute almost 40% of the weight of a healthy adult human body. Muscle, whatever weight we are having of healthy manner, healthy means not fat, perfect. Okay. Muscles contribute almost 40% weight of that human body. Okay. Then there are about 30 muscles in the human face. See, human face. So many actions, so many expressions are performed by human face only. You can see that there are about 30 muscles, small 30 muscles which are present in our human face. Our eyes, mouth and nose are encircled by small muscles. Our eyes, mouth and nose are encircled by small muscles. Okay. Then expressions like happiness, sadness, fear are expressed by the movements of those muscles of the face. See, what this about 30 muscles, what these are doing their, how these are doing their work, what are these 30 muscles doing in our face. These muscles are giving us expressions like happiness, sadness, fear, etc. Okay, etc. are functions that depend upon our will. Okay, if we want to perform, we are performing this activity, or if you want to do not, then we are not performing these activities. See, means those are depending on our will. Muscles used in these actions are called voluntary muscles. दो जो भी मसल्स इसमें यूज होते हैं, विच एवर मसल्स आर यूज इन दिस एक्टिविटीज, these are called as voluntary muscles. Example, muscles in our arms and legs. Okay, muscles in our arms and legs. Now various actions or various processes like breathing, we can stop breathing for 2 minutes? No, we cannot stop breathing for 2 minutes. No. Leave it 2 minutes. We cannot stop our breathing for 1 minute also. Okay. Blood circulation. Can we stop our blood circulation for 30 seconds? No, we cannot stop. Okay. Digestion. Can we say that for 2 days I will not eat anything? Or after eating, can we say, I will store this food for 5 days and I will not eat for 5 days? No. These are the actions which are held in our body unknowingly or without our will. Okay. Without this need, it is not needed that if we want or don't want. Okay. Process like breathing, blood circulation, digestion are vital functions they are essential for life. Breathing is essential, blood circulation is essential, and digestion is essential. That's why these are involuntary activities, and these are performed by involuntary muscles. They do not depend upon our will. The muscles of organs which carry out involuntary functions are called as involuntary muscles. Okay, have you understood this? You can raise your hands. Have you understood this topic, involuntary and voluntary? What is the difference between it? Very nice, very nice, very nice. Okay, now I will show you one picture that you will get clear idea about voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. See here, versus means difference. Okay, here left side voluntary muscles, right side involuntary muscles. Okay, these are, if we are folding our hand, then only our action of our hands are performed. Okay, if we are leaving, means contraction and relaxation of muscles of our hand are done by our will. These are called as voluntary muscles. Next one is involuntary muscles. Okay, very good. Yes, miss. So many students are saying yes, miss. Involuntary muscles. Uh, Here you can see the picture of liver, the digestive system, liver, stomach, small intestine, large intestine. Okay, these all are performed without our will. These are called as, and the muscles which are helping to perform these activities or to perform this or to help this organ system, the muscles which are helping, that is called as involuntary muscles. Okay, next point is, see, we have seen in muscular system three words about skeletal, cardiac and smooth. Which are these three types of muscles? Types of muscles are skeletal muscles, heart or cardiac muscles. Third one is smooth muscles. Okay. With the help of this diagram, you can understand very clearly the three types of muscles. See, types of muscles. One picture is shown here, that is, see how the skeletal muscles are. There are various muscles, okay, and the structure of these muscles are also different as they are helping different organ systems. Okay, these are the skeletal muscles which are present near our bone. Okay, near our bone, in our hands, in our legs. Okay, cardiac means heart. Near the heart, these types of muscles are present. You can see the image. These images are, these pictures are the images which are seen in the microscope. Okay, tissues. These tissues you can see. Third one is smooth muscles like digestive system, stomach, those muscles which are helping intestine, stomach. Okay, these types of muscles are there, smooth muscles. Now next, the skeletal muscles. The two ends of each of these muscles are attached to two or different bones. See here. These are attached to, sometimes see in our hand, above the wrist till the elbow. In between these hands, two bones are there. Okay. The two ends of each of these muscles are attached to two or different bones. Now these muscles are attached to two or many bones. Okay. Examples of such muscles are muscles of the arms and the legs. Their movements are voluntary. They are also responsible for holding the bones of the skeleton together. Okay. Our, it keeps our bones together, our skeleton together, and giving shape to our body. Okay, it is giving shape to our body by helping our bones. See, these are the, this is the picture of skeletal muscle. Okay, and this is our bone. This is how the ends of the muscles are attached. You can see now, image you can see. Okay, very good. Second point is heart or cardiac muscles. These muscles bring out the contraction and relaxation, means beating of our heart is done with the help of these muscles. Cardiac muscles, these are called as cardiac muscles. Why I have taken these separate pictures? To understand you clearly. Earlier I shown you combined picture, correct? Now see, cardiac muscles cause our heart to relax and contract continuously at the rate of 70 times per minute. See, very fast these muscles are working, 70 times approximately, 70 times per minute. Okay. Next point is smooth muscles. These muscles are present in the internal organs for other than the heart. See, except heart, these muscles are present in our internal organs. For example, muscles of stomach, intestine, and blood vessels, uterus, etc. Okay. In the various organs, these muscles are helping inside our body. Various vital functions of our body are carried out by these special muscles. Okay. Our next point is you can see in the body. I have taken this picture. See that you should understand clearly three types of muscles. Okay. Here, first one is the muscles are shown in our body, shoulder. Okay. These are the skeletal muscles. Then this second arrow is showing cardiac muscles near the heart. Then this third arrow and circle is showing the which muscles? Smooth muscles. Very good. Smooth muscles. Okay. Muscles in our body always work in groups. When some muscles contract, other muscles of the same group relax. This is how muscles help in the proper performance of the various functions of the body. The muscles on the front of the bone in our upper arm is called the biceps. See, that image also I will show you here. That is called as biceps, upper arm. Okay. The muscles at the back is called as triceps. Okay. Now see here, one activity of 1 minute we will perform. Now activity is hold your arm straight at the elbow, from elbow straight. Then can you see me? Okay. From elbow straight, then bend it at the elbow, bent. Okay. Then touch the shoulder with your fingers on same side. Straight, then bend, then touch your hand on the shoulder. Okay. This is one activity of contraction and relaxation. Very nice. All the students are performing. Very good, Suji. Very good. Next one is review of the muscles. See, you can review the muscles. Before that, I would like to ask you few questions. See, first one is here, see, smooth muscles. Second, cardiac muscles. Then skeletal muscles. This is a view under the microscope. If we are taking small tissue and we are looking it under the microscope, we can see these muscles. Okay. Now, how many types of muscles are there? Can you tell me? How many types of muscles? See, this last picture is muscles in different parts of the body. Chest muscles, deltoid, biceps, I told you, no, in the upper arm. Flexors, quadriceps in the thigh. Okay. Then abdominal muscles. Okay. Then flexors. This is diagram. I want to show you the biceps and quadriceps. Okay. Before that, I ask you one question. How many types of muscles are there which we have seen now? How many types of muscles are there? Who can answer me? Yes, Bilal Khan raised his hand. Yes, beta, you can give your answer.
Ma'am, three types of muscles.
Very nice, very good, amazing. Okay, next, my next question is, tell me the names of those muscles. Names of those 3 types of muscles.
Miss,
हाँ.
smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, and skeletal muscle.
Okay. See, we have end with our topic. Now, our question answer session will be there, and then I will give you assignment. Okay. So I am stopping my screen. Okay. Now, who was giving me the answer? Please give it. Repeat it again. 3 types of muscles. Smooth muscles, skeletal muscles, and cardiac muscles. Very good, very good. Now, one fill in the blank is there. Muscles are bundles of dash dash. Who will
Miss,
answer me? Yes.
what is meant by cardiac muscle?
Okay, cardiac
Cardiac muscle.
Okay. Cardiac muscles which are present near our heart. Cardiac muscles helps us to beat our heart. Okay. As our heart is beating very fast, 70 times per minute, those muscles are called as cardiac muscles.
Okay,
Okay.
okay, Miss.
Now, muscles are bundles of fibers. Very good. Someone has given the answer in the chat box. Okay. Okay, beta. Very good.
Of, of fiber.
Then, with the help of what muscles are firmly attached to the bones? With the help of what muscles are firmly attached to the bones? Small part in between the bones and the muscles. I told you, small part which helps to attach the bones to the muscles are called as
Hello.
tendons. What? Tendons.
Hand.
Yes. Tendons. Very good. Now your assignment,
Yes, miss.
you have to do some expressions of your face. Okay. And you have to perform the activity which I shown you. 180 degree, 90 degree, and bend. Okay. You have to perform that activity, and you will send me the video of 5 seconds by performing that activity. Okay. And by WhatsApp. Okay. You will perform it at your home and send me by WhatsApp. Okay. The next one is assignment. I am telling you, home assignment which we have to do. Face expressions. You have to perform happiness, sadness, okay, laughing. These activities you have to click the pictures and WhatsApp me. Okay. Have you understood this much? Jumping, kicking,
Yes,
perform. Okay. Thank you so much for hearing me. Thank you, everyone. Have you understood whatever I explained you today?
yes, miss.
You can thumbs up
Yes, miss.
and if you understand. Very good, very good. Have you liked the diagrams which I shown you? Very good. So many thumbs up are there. Thank you. Thank you so much. Very nice.